I'm Debbie Peverill, the main contributor to Painless Financial Learning site, and this is our weekly tip. The tip for this week, which is why we call it weekly tip, is when is your tax return due? You've probably heard that returns are due April 30th, but some people have till June 15th to file. What's the difference? If you report self-employment income on your personal tax return, then you have till June 15th to file. This means you're a person who has a business that is not incorporated. So because it's not incorporated, it shows up on your personal tax return and you get that extra 6 weeks to file your return. You do not, however, get an extra 6 weeks to pay. Too logical. You still have to pay your taxes by May 1st or they start charging you interest. And if you don't file your tax return by June 15th, they will charge you a penalty for late filing. So, key thing, whenever your tax return is due, whether it's due April 30th because you're not self-employed, or it's due June 15th because you report self-employment income, do not let a filing deadline go by without actually filing the return. You might think you don't owe any money, you could be wrong. What do you know about these things? So, the idea is to file a return by April 30th if you're not self-employed. If you don't have all your stuff together, you don't think it's right, that doesn't matter. File it on time and you can amend it later. If you don't file it on time, there's a late filing penalty that goes up month by month. The penalties have interest added to them, it's compounded every single day. There's no reason for you to have a late filing penalty. File it on time, amend it later. If you're self-employed, you've got to June 15th. If you're not self-employed, you got to file it by April 30th. Either way, make it happen. Lots of other information on this site about this kind of thing, and there's going to be one of these tips every week. Thanks very much.